No to self. I must remember that positive attitudes are a choice and not just an emotional response to what is going on in my life. I can choose to love even when I don't feel like loving. I can praise even when don't feel like praising. I can be thankful for what I have instead of focusing on what is missing. I can focus on all that is right instead of all that is wrong. These are choices I can make to help myself. The God and your angels have your back. We hear every dream that you put out to the universe and work in the background to bring this is to fruition. We need action from you though. You have to believe you deserve. Visualize living the dream. What can you do to help the process along? Don't miss any sign your angels put your way. But life can spiral out of control either by circumstances or our poor choices, and when that occurs, the peace of God feels distinct and perhaps even non-existent. Type yes if you believe.